All right, guys. So this is an example like your problem 4 that you had. It says it has been suggested that the number of visits, the number of hits to a newly launched website can be modeled by the equation in the form of h is equal to a times n to the power b, where h is the number of hits in each one, n is the month number, and a and b are constants. To test the model, a new website is created, and the number of hits in each of the first 10 months were recorded. The results are shown in the following table, where an n is equal to 1 and n is equal to 2. Write down the value of a. So all we do is plug in what we have. So h is 32. It says a, that's what we're looking for. N is 1. And to the power of b. Well, 1 to the power of anything is just 1. So you have 32 is equal to a times 1. A times 1 is just a, so a is 32. Then it says find the value of b, giving your answer in 5 significant figures. So we can use the second one to find b. So we have 100 is equal to a, which is 32, times times 2 to the power of b. So first thing would be to divide by 32. Then you have 2 to the power of b is equal to 100 over 32. I'm going to go ahead and reduce that down by 4. 100 divided by 4 is 25. 32 divided by 4 is 8. And so to get rid of that 2, we can take log base 2. Of both sides. So you have log base 2 of 25 over 8 is equal to b, and you have to put that in your calculator. So I'm going to go to a calculator. So Google Calculator does not have a log base 2 function, and you might not have a calculator at home. So in order to do that, we're going to do a change of base so we can use Google Calculator. So change of base formula. Remember, you take the base that you want to change it to, which is going to be 10. So we're going to have log of 10 of 25 over 8 divided by log base 10 of 2. And so now you can put it in your Google calculator when you put it in that form. That's a change of base in case you forgot. And so therefore you get, it said 5 significant figures. So that would be 4 after the decimal. That's 1.6439. And that's 5 significant figures. It says use this model to estimate the number of hits in the 8th month. Give your answer to the nearest integer. Okay, so that means we gotta use our formula now to do it for 8 months. So we're gonna have some value of H8 is equal to A, which is 32, of times 8 to the power of 1.6439. And we have to put that in our calculator. Then we got a times that. Okay, I'm sorry. I wrote 36. That was supposed to be 32. Anyway, so 32 times 8 to the power of 16439 is 176.65. It says give it to the nearest integer. So that's 977. Okay. Anyway, that's it. If you have any questions, you feel free to email me.